Here we have a 2026 Chevy Silverado. It's a 1500 LT package, 5.3 V8. Just changed it up a little bit. Took the factory bezels off, put some 4-inch dual tips out the back, as you can see. Gives it a nice quad look. Left the factory tailpipes, just adapted them in. Customer doesn't want to make it too loud, so he did upgrade it to a Flowmaster 40 muffler. Left it all stock. Just wake it up a little bit. Just give it a little tone. Let's see what it sounds like. There you go. Hard to beat that good old Flowmaster rumble. Sounds pretty good right here.